In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display. Then scroll again, this time to click on Font Size and Style. Select Font Style. Click on any of those to apply the best one for you, and when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always click on this icon here, the plus one, next to Download Fonts. Then install the best one for you by either tapping on it and choosing Install button, or by clicking on this icon on the right. Either way, when your font style was successfully downloaded, go back to the list and apply it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!